Welcome back. Good morning na naman ang inyong friendly Mama Mal. Naku, kagigising lang natin. Nag-cook na tayo ng nilagang manok dahil may sakit tayo at pagulay. And then I'm with my, bonding with my pamang apo. Diba? Yan ang bahay natin, mga kasmile. Okay. Are we gonna go now? Oh, be careful. Let's motorbike here. Always have time for bonding. Siyempre, it's only 7 o'clock in the morning. So, 8:30 pa naman ang pasok natin. May bonding time pa. Hi, sister! I love you, sister! Yes! Tayo na sa kapatid. And we're bonding with my apo. Ayan, nagbabicycle kami. Ito ang aming village. O, diba? Tahimik dahil Sabado ngayon, walang pasok. So, pwede tayong maglakad-lakad sa village. Diba? Kasi pagka ganitong walang pasok, ayan ating always clean. Ayan, diba? Shopping na sa Shopee. O, yun na kayo, ha? Go, go, go. Ayan na ba? Ayan aming bahay. Pakita ko sa inyo ang tuktok na aming bahay. Ayan, hanggang 3rd floor. So, hey, you got to be smart. Oh, we're gonna direct to the excavator. So, gusto niyang makita palagi yung excavator.
Closer to you. Hello, this is my mama. Say hi to our vlog, mama.
Say to the vlog.
Hi.
Vlog and?
Go, go, with mama.
See, bicycle. So, ayan. Lakad-lakad tayo. Yes, welcome to the vlog. Yan ang mga neighborhood town natin.
This is my mama. Hi. And you say, that's my little boy.
That's my little boy there. Okay, he wants to go to the excavator. Tignan niyo mga kasmile, ang luwag ng kalye ng lugar namin. Pinagawa ni Biko Soto. Kaya naman ngayon, ang luwag-luwag. Diba? Ang mga bata ay pwede na maglaro. Ayan. Okay. So, ito ang favorite spot namin. Meron ditong pine tree. Diba mga kasmile? Kahit na maikli lang ang panahon natin, there's always time for bonding with the family. So, I already cooked some food. Adobong manok na spicy. At syempre, itong favorite spot ni Priel. Is that your favorite spot, Priel?
Yeah.
So, you have a lot of company there.
Look, there's my friends.
You have company. Okay.
Look, there's friends now. Look. Look. Look, Mama, I have friends.
Yeah.
Look, Mama, I have friends. I have some friends. They want to play. My friends, they want to play. They want to play.
Alright, to play with them.
Come on, get inside.
O, diba mga kasmile? Huwag niyo sabihin na wala kayong quality time. Quality time is bonding, you know?
Mama, look at this weasel.
Bonding with our
Look,
apo.
Mama, look at me.
But that's not your whistle. You don't choose that. That's not yours.
There's a policeman.
Okay. Oh, now you go on the lever.
I'm gonna flash. I'm gonna be the... No, wait, I need to go down first. Okay. Can I go down? Can I go down? Hey, I'm gonna fix my fin.
What are you doing there?
My fin fell off, Mama.
Why are you gonna get down there?
Because my fin fell off.
Okay, so why don't you go to the ano? So we only have 10 minutes left. Go there. Go now.
I'm gonna go to my friends.
Yeah.
I like my friends. I like them.
Or you say like and subscribe to my friends here.
Like and subscribe for my friends. Go, go with Mama Mayos.
Oh, look at the camera.
Hey, hello.
Like
And this is my mama. And this is my mama Miyamori. Say hi to the vlog, Mama.
Hi, guys. O, diba? Naka-fun na tayo. Diba, mga kasmile? Napakaraming biyaya ng Panginoong Diyos. Kalakasan. At, ayan na, oh. It's Saturday today, mga kasmile. So, we're gonna have a bonding with my grand. Ay, naku, tignan niyo, pawis na tayo. Dahil nag-walking na si Mama Mal sa village. Okay, so, have fun.
I'm gonna weasel.
Say hi.
Hi. I'm gonna be the weasel, man. I'm gonna be the weasel.
But that's not your whistle, B. You give it back to them. That's.
Daddy,
Yes, fun with Mama Miles. Ang ganda ng puno, oh. Meron tayong pine tree dito. Oh, mga ka-smiles, lagi lang tayong maging masaya sa ating buhay, okay? Alam niyo, ang kaligayahan ay ang una dyan ay ang pagpupuri sa Panginoon. Pagising pa lang sa umaga, magpurit magpasalamat na sa Panginoon. Diba? At isipin natin kung ano yung mga lulutuin natin, mga dapat natin i-prepare. Itong mga nag-iedad na tayong ganitong edad, kailangan ang puso natin ay kampante. Wala tayong pag-aalala, diba? At ang Diyos ang bahala sa atin, diba? Okay, say bye to the vlog now.
Bye.
Look at me.
Bye. Hello. Look, I want the bucket, Mama.
What?
I want the bucket.
And?
Look, I'm standing in front.
Oh, you say like and subscribe to Mama Miles now. Like and subscribe.
Mama, can I have a weekend?
Yes, mga ka-smiles. At meron pa kaming 30 minutes,
Hi,
di ba?
vlog. Hi.
Bago ako pumasok, di ba? Banding muna with Apo.
This is my
Diba?
wood.
Nagpapawis na ako. At syempre, exercise in the
Mama,
morning.
say, this
Kahit
is my
30 minutes,
little
1
boy.
hour, that's good enough for us. Okay, mga
Mama,
ka-smiles?
say, this is my little boy, Pio.
This is my boy P. And he's going to enjoy the excavator, okay?
Yeah.
Look. Oh, you say like and subscribe.
I can do.
Bye, mga
Oh
guys.
my God.
Go, go, go. With Mama Miles.